Welcome to our recipe and product share on hops flowers at Main Meadow Marketplace. What can we create together? An aroma sachet, a calming tea blend, a bath soak, and an infused lotion. Well, let's do it. As a passionate creator and an advocate for holistic living, I find immense joy in crafting with herbs alongside my wonderful family. Living off-grid with my 5 amazing children has truly been a rewarding journey, allowing us to embrace nature's bounty and share our herbal adventures with you. From tinctures to teas, we love exploring the diverse world of herbs and their countless uses. Join us as we unravel the wonders of hops flowers in this video. It's all about enjoying the beauty of herbs and spreading that joy with all of you guys. So thanks. Let's go. First is the aroma sachet. It smells so great. And whether it's hung in your closet, placed in drawers, or nestled by your bedside, it's a great fragrant journey that brings tranquility and freshness to every space. Embrace relaxation and elevate your surroundings with our handcrafted blend, a delightful infusion of nature's calming embrace. And this is the hops flower, and this is how you just make a little aroma sachet. So we've got the sage, and you can kind of show it close up. The sage.
At the sage right here. Wow.
And this is the hops flower. You can put a little bit of the sage. This is the hops flower.
Wow!
What that looks like. Some lavender flowers. Some rosemary leaf, and some chamomile. So this is a nice soothing aromatherapy sachet.
I want to get away from that.
And you can basically put it on your pillow to help you calm you down to sleep. You can have it with you in your purse if you're having anxiety or something like that, or it's really good just to ground you. So basically you just mix all of these together, and you can do any kind that you would like. Different ones are obviously more fragrant than others.
What is that one?
This is the chamomile.
This smells really good.
Oh yeah.
And then this is the rosemary.
Yummy.
Some of that if you want to. Mix that all together in a little bowl or on a plate, whatever you'd like. And then you'll have a little sachet that you can use. I like to use just those little drawstring baggies. And it's very beautiful. Little mix for your sachet. So we've got the sage, the hops, the chamomile, the lavender flowers, and the rosemary.
Wow.
Take your little sachet bag and you put it in there. Personally, I like to add a little rocks to my sachets, like little crystals.
That's a good one. I like your stories.
Got yourself a little herbal sachet that you can smell, and aromatherapy is really good for you. It smells good.
It does. There's mine with the rose quartz in it.
Yay! So thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, up next, it's our calming tea. It's time to relax, guys. It's not that hard. Just the citry zest of lemon balm, passion flower, and chamomile with that incredible hops flower can get you into a nice, grounding, comforting cup of tea. Let's explore how to make it together. So this is actually just a really simple tea blend that you can use with hops flower. So use the passion flower. And this is going to be a calming tea blend. Hops, of course, is our main ingredient. A lot of these recipes have chamomile because hops and chamomile really are like best friends. And we're gonna use lemon balm for flavoring tea, and it's also really good calming tea. And then of course you just mix those all up. Blend all of those yummy herbs together. Okay, and it will look like this. And this makes a really good gift for anyone in the family that's looking to have a nice calming tea added. And of course, all of the teas have so many different nutrients in them. It's just so good for your health. I mean, this is so easy to do just to make a bunch of small bags even. This one's a large size bag. And then add a little honey stick in there. Lemon is really good. And so now you have your final tea blend. Thanks for watching. It's so much fun to add these herbs to our Epsom salts that we're soak mix in our baths. So I'm gonna use a large bottle so that it's something that it's a product that you can use a lot and get a lot of use out of, even though you only need about a handful of it in your bath. So I'll show you how we're gonna make that. So we're gonna start with the hops flower. We're gonna add in our chamomile, and we're gonna add in our Epsom salts. Then I'll be using this Roman chamomile essential oil, and I put about 10 to 12 drops in here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it all up. And these things are really fun to make for your friends and family, especially for the holidays. You know, if you want to make a quantity wise for the holidays or something like that would be easy to make a lot of the same gift for multiple people. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put all of this bath soak into these bottles that I'm recycling. So yeah, go ahead and do that. And then what you can do too is you can actually, if you're gonna give it as a gift, you can decorate the outside of it. Just a little hot glue gun and add some jewels or something.
Yeah, some ribbon or something.
And a ribbon, yeah. So yeah, you've got your little bath soak. So. What's better than knowing that you're literally lathered in something that's 100% natural? Enjoy this green lotion and have a silky smooth body as you create your own herbal infused lotion. So you'll hear that, but that's my herbal infuser working to make some liquid gold hops flower infusion. This is a lotion that I made with the hops flowers. So I infused the oil with the hops flower, and then I added a little bit of beeswax, and I added my oil, and I added actually a little bit of lavender and rosemary. So this is what it looks like, and this is the texture of it, nice and soft. And this is gonna work good in my pump bottles as a lotion, and this is really good for your skin. Oh my gosh, this is so good, so good. Now what are you waiting for? Get off the computer or get off your smartphone and go create something brand new, something unique that's just to you. Share our content and I'll share yours too. Engage in my community and say hey, and I'll say hey back. Let's talk about our missions and goals. And always give thanks for what we have and grow from that abundance. Love ya!